Hello, my dear students. Today I am going to take your first lesson of environmental studies, that is more about myself. Let's see what is in this chapter. So, in the beginning of the chapter, look at the pictures, unjumble the letters, and name the activities shown. So, what is given here? The spellings are mismatched. You have to correct the spellings by observing the picture carefully. Okay. So first is the girl is what the girl is doing. The girl is dancing. So it will be dancing. What the boy is doing? Boy is painting. And the man, what the man is doing there? The man is gardening. Okay. So let's come to the first point here. Hobbies. So, hobbies. What are hobbies or what is hobby? What is hobby? Hobbies are activities done for pleasure during free time. Or you can say that hobbies are basically related to people's interest. So different peoples have different kind of hobbies. The thing which I or you love to do in our free time, that is hobby. So in your book, some activities are given here in the pictures. So one girl is painting, one girl is singing. So these are hobbies. So the first line is given here. 2 activities I love to do in my free time are painting and singing. These are hobbies. So this type of things we do in our free time. So like playing cricket, playing Ludo, writing poetry, and one more hobby is that stamp collection. So people loves to collect old coins, stamp, and old other things, matchbox, so many things they love to do. These are also hobbies. Okay. Here one line is given in your book. My mother says that these activities and games are my hobbies. So when you play something, you do some activities, these are called what? These are called hobbies. So turn the next page. This is page number 4. So why we need to have a hobby? What are the importance of hobbies? If you have one hobby, then you will say, I have one hobby. If you have 2, 3 hobby, then you will say, I have 2 hobbies. Like I like to play, I like to sing, I like to dance. These are your hobbies. So then what are the importance of hobbies? Hobbies makes us happy. Why hobby makes us happy? Because when we work the whole day, then we feel tired. Then what we do? We come to home. We love to do the things which give us happiness, which give us pleasure. So we need to have a hobby. So here the picture is given. Avika has a sweet voice. She feels very happy when she sings. When somebody sings, then they feel happy. That is a relaxing, that is a pleasure kind of thing. So Avika has a sweet voice. She feels very happy when she sings. Hobbies help asked to relax. Mr. Anand is a doctor when he gets tired. Look, when he gets tired, he shut his eyes and listen to music. What he do? What he does? He shut his eyes, means close his eyes and listen to music with headphone or something like another things. And he feel what? He feel relaxed. So listening to music is also a hobby. Hobbies keep us occupied in our free time. So when we feel free, nothing to do, we have nothing to do, then hobbies keep us occupied our free time. So what we can do in our free time? We can read a book, we can write, we can paint, we can dance, we can do all these kind of things, which will keep away us from the bad activities. So we need a good hobby. We need to keep a good hobby. So here one story is given here, okay? So Roshan was a very naughty boy. Roshan was a very naughty boy. His mother brought some storybooks for him. His mother brought some storybooks for him. He really enjoyed reading those books. Do you like to read books? Very good. If you like to read books, it's a very good hobby. And it's a good habit also. You should read a book. Gradually reading become his hobby. So when you do a thing daily wise, then it will become your hobby. A good thing. When you do a good thing, it will become your hobby. Hobbies are of many kinds. There are many kinds of hobbies. People can have one or more hobbies. This is not necessary that you have to keep only one hobby. You can keep more than one hobby. Hobbies can be done indoors as well outdoors also. Well, we can do all the activities inside our home, inside the room and outside also. The indoor and outdoor both. Okay. Some common hobbies. Pictures are given here. Painting, paper crafting. When you cut a paper and give it a shape of a doll or anything else, then it is also your hobby. Writing is your hobby. Stamp collection. Listening to music also is your hobby. Playing games on computer. So, playing games on computer is also your hobby, but not all the time. Playing game in computer is good, but not all the time. You should maintain the timing that in a day you will play half an hour, 15 minutes. Okay? Not all the day. You cannot play all the day games in computer. Cycling is a very good hobby. Swimming, gymnastics, bird watching is also a good hobby. Gardening, it's a very, very good hobby. And photography. You can take photo, natural sceneries photo, you can take your father's photo, mother's photo, good quality photos you can take. Okay? So we have completed our page number 6. Now come to the page number 7. Hobbies are usually not taken up for making money. So, hobbies, why we need to have a hobby? To keep ourselves, to feel ourselves happy and relaxed. That's why we need hobby. Hobby, we cannot make money by keeping a hobby. But sometimes a hobby becomes a career. Sometimes you can earn money by your hobby. If you are good in doing something, then you can earn money with that thing also. If you are very good, passionate about that thing, you are doing all the things correctly, perfectly, passionately, then you can earn money with your hobby also. How? Look, if your mother cooks very well, If your mother bakes very well, your mother bakes cake very well, then your mother can open a bakery shop. Then from that, your mother can earn money. If your mother make pickle very good, make pickles, then your mother can sell the pickle. Then your mother can earn money. So your hobby can be a source of earning money also. Okay. So here it is given that Mrs. Sharma's hobby has always been to bake cakes and biscuits. She runs a bakery and earns money too. Mr. Mohan's hobby has always been to click pictures. He owns a photo studio. If you take pictures very good, you can open a photo studio. Then you can earn money from that also. Mrs. Singh's hobby has always been to craft toys. So Mrs. Singh, she loves to craft toys. She is very good in crafting, paper crafting, cloth crafting, whatever the crafting is, clay crafting. So this become her earning source now. She owns a toy shop. Understand? So this is all about your hobby. Okay, you have to tell me that what are your hobbies. You write your hobbies, okay, and do it at home. Let us recall. Hobbies are activities carried out in free time. So we do hobbies in our free time. Different people have different hobbies. It's not necessary that if your brother or sister is having a hobby, you should also have that hobby. You should take that hobby in your life. This is not necessary. You can have another hobby also. Hobbies engage us. Hobbies do? Hobbies engage us. Hobbies make us busy, make us feel happy and relax us. Okay? Sometimes hobbies can be also become a career. You can earn money if you are perfect, if you are passionate. Understand the whole chapter? Read the chapter very carefully. So here the exercise is given. You have to write yes or no. Okay? Read the questions and do it at home. Match the following. You can understand the match the following, how to match from the left hand side with the right hand side. Come to the page number 9. Fill in the missing letters to the name of the hobbies shown in the picture. So do it at home. Very playful. And the question answers. Try to do the question answers. I will give you the question answers in the next class. Till then, take care. Stay safe. Thank you very much.